Elon Musk's brain chip company, Neuralink, just unveiled a futuristic new implant that could help completely blind people regain their vision within a year. And it gets better, because even those born blind could start to see. That's right, this technology could potentially allow a blind person to not only see basic visuals like Atari-style graphics, but also things like infrared, radar, or ultraviolet light. Incredibly, this means that the chip bypasses the eyes and optic nerve entirely, directly stimulating the visual cortex in the brain. This is a huge deal because it could potentially restore sight to millions of people around the world who are currently blind due to damage to their eyes or optic nerve. He also said the chip could potentially allow people to see infrared, radar, or ultraviolet light, which would be pretty awesome, although I'm not sure how useful it would be. These electrodes then stimulate the visual cortex in a way that mimics the signals that would normally be sent there by the eyes. Musk says that the first human trials of the chip could begin as soon as 6 months from now, with the goal of restoring vision in blind people within a year. In a tweet, Musk said the chip will be able to send signals to the visual cortex, allowing people to see it. They're working on a wireless version of the chip that could be implanted through a minimally invasive procedure. And they're also working on a chip that can record visual activity in the brain, which could one day allow blind people to see detailed images. So, how does it work? Well, the device works by implanting a small chip into the brain that contains an array of electrodes. It's still very early days for this technology, but it has the potential to change the lives of millions of blind people around the world. If you think this is crazy, just wait until you hear about what Neuralink is planning for the future. Neuralink is making some incredible progress, and we can't wait to see what they come up with next. This is the host with Brains, and if you want to learn more about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, check out the links in the description below. Do forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update on the latest AI news. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.